Hey there, it's Jake from StringBean. In this video, we're going to get an overview of the StringBean web app. We're going to explore the different pages and what they all contain, but we'll save the nitty-gritty details for individual videos for each page. Let's get started. When you log in, you'll start in the dashboard. The dashboard is an overview of all activity going on in your account, and you can see that activity in different ways and filter the activity as you like. Next, as you go down the navigation pane, you'll have locations. Locations has, of course, your locations and any information tied to them, so that includes activity, contact information, as well as the location on a map. Next is users. The users page has similar information to locations, except that it's people, not places, so you have your employees, your clients, and your contacts. Below that is service requests. A service request is a workflow that's been issued to a user. So the service request page shows all service requests, their details, and their progress. Next, you have incidents. One of the tools you have in the mobile app is to report incidents. You can learn more about that in a separate video, but the incidents page shows all reported incidents. After incidents is StringBeans. While we generally call our workflows StringBeans, the StringBeans page is where you can see your applied StringBeans, which are workflows applied to a location. I like to think of an applied StringBean as a saved scenario. You know you want this specific task done at this location, but you might want to issue it to a different person or at another time in the future, so the scenario is saved for you to issue it later on. Next is the library page. This is where you create, store, and find your StringBean workflows. At the bottom of the navigation pane, you have the reports page. This page houses your report templates and completed reports. Those are all the pages you get to from the navigation pane, but there are a few more features we need to touch on briefly. If you go to the top right corner of any page, you'll see a search button, which you can use to search the entire web app at once. And next to that, you see your name. Click on that and there's a menu with a feedback page, which is just a way for you to tell us your thoughts. Below that is administration, where you manage your account info, notifications, and billing. And below that is resource scheduling, which shows the schedule of service requests for each user. And finally, there's a logout button to log out of the web app. And that's it. That's a brief overview of the pages in the StringBean web application. Don't forget to check out all our other tutorials to learn everything you need to know about StringBean. Thanks for watching!